Roku TV Replacement Remote Control.
The replacement remote is designed specifically for Roku TVs, offering convenient shortcut buttons for popular streaming services. It boasts a long transmitting distance, quick response time, and a simple setup without programming, making it an excellent choice for users needing a reliable remote. Compatible with various Roku models, this remote is compatible with multiple Roku TV brands, making it versatile for users with different models, enhancing its appeal as a universal replacement option. Easy to use and set up. Users appreciate the straightforward setup that requires no programming, allowing immediate use after inserting batteries, which adds to its user-friendly design. Good build quality. Constructed from high-quality materials, this remote feels sturdy and comfortable in hand, giving users confidence in its durability and responsiveness. Affordable price. At a price point of $7.51, many customers find this remote to be a cost-effective alternative, offering good functionality without breaking the bank. Mixed functionality feedback. Some users report inconsistent functionality, with experiences varying widely. While some find it works perfectly, others face issues with responsiveness and reliability. Compatibility issues. There are reports of compatibility problems where the remote does not work with certain Roku devices, leading to frustration for some customers. Limited features. Lacking advanced features such as backlighting or programmable buttons, this remote may not satisfy users looking for more sophisticated options. Buttons may wear out. A few users experience deterioration in button responsiveness over time, raising concerns about the longevity and durability of the remote. This replacement remote control is an excellent choice for Roku TV users seeking a budget-friendly and easy-to-use option. However, potential buyers should be aware of mixed functionality and compatibility feedback, which may affect their experience. If a reliable, straightforward remote is a priority, this product is worth considering. Otherwise, those seeking advanced features may want to explore other options.
Are you excited to make a purchase, or do you need a little more time to decide? No need to hurry. Check out the product link in the description below. Just click on it to explore the Amazon website, where you can dive into more details and read reviews that will help you make the best choice. Happy shopping!